its review rating is 9.4, which is the superb. A set of FAQs is now displayed on your screen, which may address many of your basic questions about this hotel. See on the screen details like websites, web type, review, amenities, facilities, parking pages, etc. Room category 3. Category 4. The location of the hotel is fine. Guests love to enjoy the surroundings. Categories of rooms are available. You can book them online and enjoy your stay. Several deals and offers are available online for this hotel, along with various plans and payment policies. Provided in the details checked in the description. If you are facing